Good morning, my dear respected students. And today again, we are supposed to begin our content with a file handling, and hopefully the previous content which is discussed yesterday is being clear to you all. My dear respected students, what we are supposed to discuss today is kindly concentrate. Hopefully, these are the different modes, and already we have done with R mode, that is a reading mode, W mode, that is a write only mode, and append mode, which says that we are supposed to append the file, means that the existing data is there and new data is supposed to be added at end. यहाँ तक मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है? जिन लोगों को मेरी बात प्रीवियस समझ आई थी, यस और नो में प्लीज मुझे कॉन्टेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट भेजिएगा, रिस्पॉन्स भेज दीजिए, यस और नो। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। थोड़े से एक्टिव रहिए। अरे वाह वाह वाह, एक्टिव है, एक्टिव है, एक्टिव है, एक्टिव है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। ओके, now what we are going to do here, we are supposed to begin with R plus, my dear respected students. This says that R plus means read and write. This says R stands for read and write operation. Explanation for the same is file must exist, otherwise error is raised. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपको रीड करने से पहले डाटा या जो फाइल है, द फाइल इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी देयर, एंड देन व्हाट वी आर सपोज्ड टू डू, वी आर सपोज्ड टू रीड दैट पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट। आफ्टर दैट बोथ रीड एंड राइट ऑपरेशन कैन परफॉर्म। ये बोथ दोनों ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म कर सकता है। सर कैन यू प्लीज इलैबोरेट द सेम विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल इफ पॉसिबल? यस, व्हाई नॉट, माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ओपन Python here, and what I am going to do here, I just want to perform a read and write operation. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. What we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention obj1, and one very important thing here which you all supposed to remember, that there is no need to use always obj1 as a file object. There is no compulsion for the same. For example, this time I am going to use x is equal to open, and after that we are supposed to mention the name of the file is REPAL if I am perfectly writing the name of the file. And what we are going to do here this time, I am supposed to mention it as a R plus here. What it makes sense that we are supposed to perform read and write both operations. What we are going to do here, dear students, first of all, I am just going to mention here print, print, print dot. After that, print. After that, there is a bracket here. After that, what we are going to write here, x dot. There is a function which is to be used for reading the content here. I'm just going to press the F5 and hit the enter key. Hopefully the content will be there. Okay, no content is supposed to be reflected. Why so? We are supposed to check here in my computer. We are supposed to click here and paste the address here. And what we are going to do this time, my dear respected student, hit the enter key and searching for a REPAL Sahab. REPAL, REPAL. Okay, no problem. Okay, no content is there. No problem. No problem. Hiya Sayala. यहाँ पे हिया सयाला इतना मेंशन कर देता हूँ, है ना? बहुत है ना? Now what I'm going to do, I'm supposed to save this content. Okay, no problem with that. No problem with that. We are going to mention it as a REPAL1. No issues with that. Okay, great. After that, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to minimize this and mention REPAL1.txt, F5 and hit the enter key, and the content is supposed to be displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को content जो है वो वहाँ पे नजर आ गया. Sir, please repeat this topic. File access modes. Okay, thank you very much, Gurpreet ji, for your kind statements. I'm just going to repeat this, that R plus is supposed to perform for two operations, that is a read and write, my dear students. Now what we are going to do here, now this time what we are going to mention here, x dot write operation here, and after that what we are supposed to mention it as, I'm just going to mention Gurpreet Singh. After that, I'm just going to close this. Very important thing here, dear students, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request here that when we are supposed to open that particular REPAL1.txt, it says till now they having a content that is a hiya sayal. I'm just going to close this file here. Okay, After that, they read the content and then they write the content, because we are giving an example that R plus is supposed to be used for reading and writing purpose. Both ways we can use it. We are supposed to press F5 and hit the enter key here. What happened here? Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Kindly concentrate. It says when we begin with this file, REPL1.txt, they are supposed to read the content, and previously, kindly allow me to open that particular file here. What happened here? Beta, it's very crucial part here for understanding purpose, point of view. It says when we talk about read operation here, this is the read operation. What they do, they simply read that particular content because this content is already there in your file, that is a REPL1.txt. जहां यहां तक जिन लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो वो yes और no टाइप कर दीजिए प्लीज, yes और no, फिर मैं अगला स्टेप बताऊंगा आपको. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you, God bless you. Now question arises that now file contain Hiya Sayal and Gurpreet Singh, but what happened? What happened in second statement? They are not supposed to return anything, but they are supposed to return the Hiya Sayal and Gurpreet Singh. They are supposed to return that particular content. Yes or no? जिन लोगों को लगता है कि ऐसा होना चाहिए था और क्यों नहीं हुआ, उसका रीजन है. वाई सो? मैं बताऊंगा, आप सिर्फ यस और नो में बताइए. जो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल होना ही चाहिए था कि जो दो टेक्स्ट हैं वहां पे, हिया सैल एंड गुरप्रीत सिंह, बोथ विल बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन, बट व्हाई बोथ आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी डिस्प्लेड? व्हाट विल बी द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट? मेरे को यस नो में और रिस्पॉन्स दे दीजिएगा. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. स्टूडेंट्स आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग. What happened? Kindly concentrate this time. It's my humble request. First of all, in the initial stage, the content stored in a REPL1.txt is Hiya Sayal. When the file is open, they found the read operation here, and they just read that particular content and they display that content here on the screen. Next thing, next what happened? Now write operation is performed. If you are understanding this concept, in that case, in case of R plus, kindly concentrate, R plus is used to perform, my dear respected student, read and write operation, but somewhere you just come to know that write is somewhere performing as a append. अगर हम सिर्फ राइट की बात करते तो वो एग्जिस्टिंग कंटेंट को डिलीट कर देता और न्यू कंटेंट गुरप्रीत को ऐड करता, बट हियर राइट इज परफॉर्मिंग लाइक अ अपेंड. Why so? Because they remain saved the existing content and the new content is supposed to be added at end. जो मेरी यहाँ तक इस बात तक satisfied है वो yes और no में आंसर करिए फटाफट 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 जल्दी से. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. बेटा सब लोगों के रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए मुझे. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. नो व्हाट इज द रीजन दैट व्हाई दे आर नॉट रिटर्निंग दैट पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट हियर? काइंडली कंसंट्रेट नाउ. First read operation says the content is read till here, that is the Hiya Sayal. After that the write operation will perform and that is the Gurpreet Singh, and now the cursor is blinking after SINGH. आप देख रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे कि सिंह के बाद जो है कर्सर वहां ब्लिंक कर रहा है और उसके बाद आपको उसको क्या बोल रहे हो? आप बोल रहे हो कि रीड ऑपरेशन कर, जबकि आगे रीड करने के लिए, कर्सर से आगे रीड करने के लिए तो कुछ है ही नहीं. मेरी यहां तक जो मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं वो यस और नो में आंसर करें. यस और नो में आंसर कीजिए जो मेरी यहां तक बात समझ गए कि when we perform second time, when we ask the compiler or an interpreter to read the content, but previously there is no content is there in the file. So what we are supposed to do here? Thank you very much for your kind responses. So what we are supposed to do here, kindly concentrate. After writing this content, what we are going to do here, my dear respected students, one function is there which is to be considered as a very, very, very important part here. What we are going to do, we are supposed to mention x dot seek function. Seek means, seek का मतलब क्या है? प्लीज मेरी बात को जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. I am saying that seek function is supposed to adjust the position of, or we can move a position of a cursor as per our requirement with the help of a seek function. अब seek में क्या किया मैंने बोला 0. यहाँ पे प्लीज मेरे बच्चों याद रख लीजिएगा, when we are mentioning here seek 0, it says 0 is representing beginning. Beginning spelling अगर गलत भी हो गए तो माफ कर दीजिएगा. 0 representing a beginning. It means when this write operation perform, cursor is supposed to appear here, but this seek function is supposed to tell this cursor that you are supposed to move again from that location, that is the beginning of the file, and then we are supposed to call the read function, and then the entire data which is there in a file is supposed to be read. Now what happened after writing this, I'm just going to hit the F5 here and hit the enter key here. What happened, my dear respected students, there display Hiya Sayal Gurpreet Singh. After that Hiya Sayal Gurpreet Singh and Gurpreet Singh. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आ गई हो, प्लीज मुझे yes, no, repeat and any kind of suggestion if you want to give, you can give, no problem with that. Very good, very good, very good, very good. सबकी सबकी मुझे रिस्पॉन्सेज चाहिए, सबके रिस्पॉन्सेज मुझे चाहिए. वेरी गुड. मेरे पास अभी सिर्फ 4-5 लोगों के रिस्पॉन्सेज आए हैं. बेटा नो में रिस्पॉन्स दे दो ना, क्या दिक्कत है इसमें? आप यस में मत दीजिए ना, मैं कब बोल रहा हूँ सिर्फ यस में देने के लिए, बट आई नीड योर रिस्पॉन्सेस. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. से यस, से नो. ओके नॉर्मन सर, प्लीज रिपीट फॉर last 2 lines. Yes, why not, Norman ji? Sir, why output is twice time? Very good. Khushi ji, it's my humble request. You are my one of my dearest student, but you are supposed to open your brain all the time and understanding the concept, because programming is very easy and very crucial on the same time. It's my humble request. Now kindly concentrate here. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected student. Now when we open this REPL1.txt, now the content is Hiya Sayal, Gurpreet Singh and Gurpreet Singh. Gurpreet Singh. Now kindly concentrate, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. When we open this REPL1.txt file, and when we are supposed to read that, we call that only read operation. In that case, what will happen? Kindly concentrate, because programming is very easy and very tough. So we are supposed to press the F5 key and hit the enter key. What is supposed to be returned till now? That is Hiya Sayal, Gurpreet Singh and Gurpreet Singh. यहाँ तक मेरी बात मुझे लगता है कि सब लोगों को समझ आ गई है. It's clear till now. Now what I am going to do here, we are supposed to perform that this time. I am supposed to mention here Norman Glad. What happened here after this content, that is Hiya Sayal, Gurpreet Singh and Gurpreet Singh. Now one more name is supposed to be added, that is a Norman Glad here. But what happened is supposed to be added and Norman is supposed to be displayed here. The output of that particular file is in such a manner. If I'm just going to copy this in the comment section here, it's like this. It's like this. I think so. Now you are able to understand this particular thing. Now this thing. But what happened? Cursor is blinking after glad. So with the help of the seek function, we are just instructing this cursor, which is blinking here after glad, that this cursor is supposed to be blinked here from in the beginning, and then we are supposed to read that content, and hopefully the content will be Hiya Sayal, Gurpreet Singh and Norman Glad. When I just hit the F5 and hit the enter key here, I think so the same output will be displayed here on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो वो यस बोलिएगा, जिनको नहीं आए वो नो बोलिएगा, और जिनको अभी भी नहीं समझ आया वो रिपीट बोल दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मेरे को कोई गुस्सा नहीं है किसी बात का. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. many students are saying yes. Very good, very good. All are requested to say yes, all are requested to say no, all are requested to give the suggestions as well. No issues with that. हर एक बार मैं सही होऊंगा ये कोई बहुत important चीज नहीं है. Very good. Now I just move forward, my dear respected students. It says here that here it is W plus, that is a read and write operation. File is created if does not exist. If file exists, file is truncated. मेरे बेटा word को याद रखिएगा. Truncated means the past data is lost. But R plus में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? R is for read and write operation, but write is somewhere performing like a append, because they are not truncated the previous data. But in case we talk about a W plus, in that case they read the data, but write operation is supposed to be truncated the previous one and add the new one. Can we do this practical here? Very good. With your permission, my dear respected students. Thank you. Yes. What happened now? Kindly concentrate here. I'm just going to mention it as a W plus, ठीक है. I'm just going to make this a comment here, no issues with that. इसको भी कमेंट करते नहीं, रीड वाला है ना, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है. अब देखिएगा, प्लीज ध्यान से देखिएगा, दिस फाइल इज सपोज टू बी ओपन इन अ राइट प्लस मोड, दैट इज रीड एंड राइट वे. दे रीड द कंटेंट व्हिच इज देयर, existing content which is Hia Sayal, Gurpreet Singh and Norman Glad. And after that, what happened? They are supposed to perform that write operation here. Now, what happened, my dear respected students? After that, they eliminate this entire content. After that, after writing, they are supposed to eliminate that particular entire content here. They eliminate that. And what is supposed to be displayed here? Only, I think so, Norman Glad is supposed to be displayed when we are supposed to implement x.seek 0 to make it blink the cursor from last of the file, end of the file from the beginning, and then we are supposed to print that फाइल. अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुन लेना, फाइल ओपन की, रीड किया कंटेंट, रीड करने वाले कंटेंट में प्रीवियसली ये स्टोर है बेटा. आफ्टर दैट वी ऐड अगेन, देयर इज अ नॉर्मन ग्लैड. मैं नहीं तो किसी और का नाम लिखूं, जैकॉर लिखता हूँ, मेरी बेटी का नाम KAUR, ठीक है. मैंने जैकॉर लिख लिया. अब मैंने क्या किया, जैकॉर, यहाँ पे जैकॉर कर दिया. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, व्हाट हैपन हियर माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट, दे राइट जैकॉर, देन वी एडजस्ट इट फ्रॉम ब्लिंकिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट टू द फर्स्ट पोजीशन, एंड देन वी रीड द कंटेंट. होपफुली आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हिट द F5 key here and it displays. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. This time the content is being displayed as jacor, and when we are just going to open this rippled one, it says in context of W plus, they never perform like a append operation, they perform like a write operation. They truncated the previous data which is being stored in the file. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो तो वो कृपया करके मुझे yes कर दें, मुझे no कर दीजिए, मुझे suggestion दे दीजिए प्लीज. Thank you very much. Be quick. Be quick. I need your responses. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jacor ji, thank you. Hia ji, thank you. Archie, thank you. Kushi Keti ji, and many more to come. Very good. Great. Now again, I'm just going to move towards A plus here. Beta, write and read operation. We have done with R plus, we done with W plus, we done with A plus now. File is created if does not exist. If file exists, file existing data is retained. Retained मतलब रखिएगा पुराने डाटा को. न्यू डाटा इज अपेंडेड. बोथ रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग ऑपरेशन कैन टेक प्लेस. अब एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं ना, प्रैक्टिकली भी देख लेते हैं बेटा. ये देखिएगा. Now in place of W plus, now we use a A plus. Now what they do, previously the file containing this time, that is a jacor here. अगर याद हो सब लोगों को, अगर मेरी बात समझ आ रही हो, previously the file is storing a jacor here only. If you want to check from a file itself, you can check, no issues with that. The file is storing jacor here. What they do, they display a jacor here. And now what they are doing, now they write here Norman Glad. They are supposed to write here Norman Glad here. Again, what they do, they adjust that into a beginning position, and then they are supposed to read the content. So jacor is already there in that particular file. And now what happened, my dear respected students, what happened here, we are supposed to mention it as, hopefully this will be the content which is supposed to be displayed on the screen here. I'm just going to hit F5 and hit the enter key here, and what will be the output? It says jacor and there is a Norman Glad. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो yes कर दीजिए, नहीं आई तो no कर दीजिए, suggestion जाए तो suggestion दे दीजिए प्लीज. फटाफट जल्दी लिखिएगा जरा. Very good. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thanks for your kind cooperation. Thank you. God bless you, beta ji. Sir, please repeat. Bhagat ji, okay, I am supposed to repeat, but with the help of example. You are late, I think, so no problem with that, Bhagat. I welcome you in your online class. Thank you. Okay, now next thing is, Bhagat, surely I am going to repeat that content. आप घबराइएगा मत, चिंता मत करिएगा. Closing a file, that open file is closed by calling the close function. You all know this thing, but points to remember that why we are using a close function. First point says closing files using close function is a good programming practice. कहता ये तो एक अच्छी बात है. कहता क्या अच्छी बात है यार, वो तो बता दे. कहता सर ऐसा है काइंडली कंसंट्रेट हेयर। कहता हाँ जी सर बिल्कुल करेंगे, आप बताइए तो सही। कहता अब क्या किया, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर, दैट दिस इज द वेरी वेरी गुड प्रोग्रामिंग हैबिट, दैट after 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 using that particular program, we are supposed to close that object, that is x this time, not a obj1. Okay, so I'm just going to hit that enter key and it works, I think so. It not work. Okay, a we are using, r we using. Can I just check the content of that particular file? Yes, the file is there, no issues with that. Okay, now we are just going to hit again and hit the enter key, and now the content is supposed to be displayed because we are using a read operation here. One very important thing what we are supposed to display with the help of an practical demonstration. Now this is a write operation, and what we are going to do, beta, what we are going to do here, kindly concentrate my dear respected students. I'm just going to mention here x dot write operation. Thanks for your cooperation. Thanks for your cooperation. This is the text which I want to write, and after that we are supposed to read that content. Now I'm just going to eliminate that particular close function. I'm just going to eliminate that F5, and I'm just going to hit the enter key. I'm just going to hit the enter key. But it says unsupported operation not read. Okay, no problem, we are not going to read that content, no issues with that. Okay, but I'm going to do F5 here and hit the enter key. Hit the enter key. The program is supposed to be work perfectly, but what will be the problem here, when we click here on a REPL1 file, because we are using a text file, and here it is, the mode will be write. It means they truncate the previous content, but they are not writing this content. Because why so? Because we are not using that particular x dot close function here. Kindly concentrate. Now I'm just going to hit the F5 and hit the enter key here. Now what happened when we are supposed to open that REPL? Now there is a thanks for your cooperation. I'm just going to repeat this one more time. Kindly concentrate, dear students. I'm writing here, may God bless you all. ठीक है, अब मैंने क्या किया, I'm just going to eliminate this. Now till now what will be there in REPL1, thanks for your cooperation. But what is the nature of, what will be the nature of write? They truncate the previous data, but they are not supposed to write this data. Why so? Because we are not using a close function. I'm going to press F5 and hit the enter key here. Okay, it works perfectly, but what happened when we are going to open that REPL1, data is not there. But what we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention it as x dot close function here. And now what happened when we hit the F5 and enter key, it says yes, this time the data is supposed to be mentioned. May God bless you all. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो यहाँ तक, वो प्लीज यस और नो में आंसर कर दीजिएगा प्लीज. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. I need your responses, beta. I need your responses. I need your suggestions also. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. गुरप्रीत गुरप्रीत की नहीं मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, या मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा. गुरप्रीत कहाँ है मेरा गुरु का प्रीत. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू गुरप्रीत, थैंक यू. गुरप्रीत थोड़ा सा एक्टिव रहा कर यार, ऐसे मत किया कर. हाँ, अरे वाह, यस सर, क्लियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. पर मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए, क्लियर हो ना हो गुरप्रीत. या सारे बच्चे जितने बैठे हैं, भगत, ये जितने मेरे बच्चे बैठे हैं, सबको मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स देना ही पड़ेगा, जबरदस्ती लेना है मैंने रिस्पॉन्स. Okay, now second point is what we have done with the help of practical demonstration. Sometime the data written onto your file using write function is held in memory के अंदर रह जाता है until the next write or the फाइल इज क्लोज. तब तक वो लिखा नहीं जाएगा फाइल के अंदर, जब तक अगर आप नेक्स्ट राइट कमांड नहीं कॉल करते, या फिर जब तक आप क्या नहीं करते, आप क्लोज फंक्शन को कॉल नहीं करते. एट दैट टाइम दे आर नॉट सपोज टू राइट दैट डाटा. थैंक यू वेरी मच गुरप्रीत जी सर. God bless you, beta. Now, the next thing is what we are supposed to discuss here, reading from a file. अब मैंने पिटाई कर देनी है. पूछोगे अब क्यों, क्या हो गया सर, एकदम ही गुस्से में आ गए. Now we are using many times we use a read operation. Can I do one मजेदार चीज मैं मतलब इंग्लिश में हिंदी मिक्स हो गई, नो इश्यूज विद दैट। एक आपको ट्रिक बताता हूँ। What we are going to do here, dear students, I am just going to open a Word document here. All students are thinking that why sir is opening a Word document here. I'm just going to do something for you, my dear respected students. I just going to enter a is equal to sign and mention here random, and I'm just going to type some number here, and magic is there. Automatically content is being displayed on the screen. One more time I want to display that thing, is equal to RAND. After that, there is no reason behind that. You can enter any number, no issues with that. No issues with that. What we are going to do here, 2,5 here, and we are supposed to hit the enter key. What happened here? The content is supposed to be displayed. I'm just going to copy that content. Okay. Click here, click on the REPL1.txt. Now this time what we are going to do, we are supposed to copy and paste that content. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to save that one. And here it is, minimize this and close this file. Don't save. There is no need to save because we are not supposed to use this in our future reference. So here it is, read says, read at most n bytes. If no n is specified, reading the entire file. Kindly concentrate here, the practical demonstration, dear students. Kindly concentrate here. What happened here, we are supposed to open this in a read operation is supposed to be performed here. X dot read here, and what we are going to do here, we are supposed to hit the enter key along with the F5 here. I'm just going to hit that particular. It's not supposed to return anything. No issues with that. I'm just going to mention it again. No problem. Can I do something? Can I do something? कोई मुझे suggest करेगा? What will be the error here? मैं आपकी भी तो concentration check कर लूँ कि कितने के लायक हो आप लोग. What will be the problem in second line? I found that problem. But you are requested to give me a suggestion. What will be the problem? अरे नो ही बोल दो, नो ही बोल दो यार. What happened? Say no. No problem with that. अभी देखो किसी का response नहीं आया. No response. I will be. Norman is saying no. Norman ji, kindly open your brains. Here it is. What we are doing, we are not mentioning print statement. That's why they are not supposed to display the content here. And now this time when we use a print here, this time, अरे वाह, मेरी बेटी ने बता दिया था जय ने. अरे thank you जय. God bless you. Now the content will be there on the screen. Okay. Content will be there, but one more important thing here, for example, this is the content which is being displayed on the screen. Now if you want to read only a 10 characters from this particular file, so mention 10 and F5 and hit the enter key here. They are supposed to return only the 10 characters here. Okay, if you want to read here first 50 characters here, you can press F5 and hit the enter key. They are supposed to display only 50 characters in spite of displaying the entire content from here. मेरे बच्चों को यहाँ तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई है? Yes or no में बोल दीजिएगा. Very good, very good, very good. I am still waiting for your responses. अब तो no बोल दो, अब भी no बोल दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अरे अब तो yes बोल रहे हैं भाई. बेटा, my humble request, my humble submission, open your brains. 40 मिनट ध्यान आपका स्क्रीन पे होना चाहिए कि स्क्रीन पे हो क्या रहा है. ठीक है. और उसके बाद जब टाइम मिले आफ्टर योर ऑल द क्लासेस, यू आर सपोज टू हैंड्स ऑन दिस थिंग on your computer, and while you are doing practicals, there is n number of questions are arising in your brain, and with the help of your understanding, you are supposed to sort out, or you are supposed to consult the same with your teacher. Thank you very much, Kushiji. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Now next thing is that very easiest thing, I think so. In spite of using this much code for displaying the content, we can also display the content in such a way, for example, which is to be considered as the easiest one, I think so. Kindly concentrate. I'm simply writing a print command here, print. Okay. After that, directly I'm typing open, and directly I'm typing REPAL 1.txt. Okay, and then we type it as a read operation, and then we type it read here, and then open and close, and then bracket close. Now kindly concentrate. In spite of writing this much code here, we are supposed to simply write it as print open the file repl1.txt read, and then we're supposed to perform the read operation. Hit the enter key. The entire content which is being stored within your file is supposed to be displayed on the screen. And in a similar fashion, if you want to display the content here, you are supposed to display the content. For example, first 5 characters here, then you are supposed to hit the enter key. They display only the first 5 characters, and hope this thing is understand by you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes or no में आंसर दे दीजिएगा वहां पे मुझे चैट बॉक्स के अंदर. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, वेरी गुड. अब ये देखिए, ये एग्जांपल है यहाँ पे, ये स्क्रीन पे जो एग्जांपल्स आ रही हैं आप लोगों को कि किस तरीके से हमने रीड किया और किस तरीके से हम उसको परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. अब ये क्या कहता है, और एग्जांपल देख लीजिए जो कंवलजीत सर ने अभी दिखाया आपको, यहाँ पे मेंशन किया. ये देखिए आउटपुट आ गया. बट अब यहाँ पे ना एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज थी जो आप लोगों ने मेरे ख्याल से आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा. यू आर नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर, आई थिंक सो यू आर नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन दैट. चलिए जी, वो भी मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डिस्कस द सेम विद यू ऑल, नो इश्यूज विद दैट. Can I just copy this and paste this information here, and I do something. There is something in my mind here. Okay, now very important thing here that Kavalji sir is talking about. Yesterday I just talk about EOL, and I think so many students understand that what is the full form of EOL. Can anybody type in a chat box what is the full form of EOL? EOL था कि EOF था? End of line. Thank you very much, and thank you very much. Thank you. End of line. Very good. मेरी बेटी ने लिखा है end of line here. So Kavalji sir is giving an example of end of line in theoretical portion only. I have just talked about that this /n is to be considered as the end of the line. But kindly concentrate. This is a single quote which says I am a string here, and after that there is a /n here at that location, and one /n is being located here at that particular position, and this says that this entire content till from the beginning till here, it consider it as a /n, means this is to be considered as a single line here. Okay, and after that from here itself, that is a click, and now till now this is to be considered as a one line, which is to be considered as a /n. This is the end of line. This is says that I am a end of line operation. ठीक है, अब जरा कृपया ध्यान दीजिएगा. I'm just going to move forward and reading from a 10 bytes. ये सब कुछ कवलजी सर ने अभी करवाया, that how we are supposed to read that 10 characters from there. And it says again, now one very important function, because we have thought about a read function. Now the new function which we are supposed to use in a text file, which is to be called as a read line. बेटा मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुन लेना. Reads a line, kindly concentrate on a description part. It says reads a line of input. If n is specified, read at most n bytes. अगर आप यहाँ पे n में कुछ वैल्यू डाल देंगे तो वहां तक रीड करेगा, नहीं तो कहाँ तक करेगा, एंड ऑफ लाइन तक करेगा. Kindly concentrate. Now with the help of a practical demonstration, that what I just want to elaborate with the help of this /n. अब मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ ये देखिएगा प्लीज, अब ध्यान से देखिएगा. In place of a read operation, I'm just going to mention it as a read line. I'm just going to eliminate that particular, and when we are going to hit F5 and hit the enter key, they display the content from that location to that location. Why so? Why till slide bar? Because here it is, it says this is to be considered as a /n and this is to be considered as a end of the line. मेरे बेटा जी मेरी बात को ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करना. अब अगर आप next line को भी read करना चाहते हैं, similar way what we are going to do, we are supposed to mention it again. X dot read line. This first is supposed to be read a first line. This is supposed to read a first line and simultaneously read second line. This is supposed to read the second line here. What we are going to do here, F5 and hit the enter key here. Now my dear respected students, they just read that particular thing, and after that there is a space because /n is there, and then there is a text here. Okay, if we are supposed to mention it as I think so, एक बार करके देख लो, अगर चला तो ठीक है, नहीं चला तो फिर कोई बात नहीं, माफी मांग लेंगे. अरे वाह, if you want to eliminate that slash n, in that case we are supposed to mention it as and double quotes, it says that the empty line slash n, the impact of slash n is being eliminated and displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको यहाँ तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो वो yes no में आंसर कर दीजिए फटाफट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अब मैंने पिटाई करनी शुरू करनी है, धीरे बोल रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा. उसकी पिटाई का मतलब ये है कि अब मैंने ना प्रैक्टिकल जो लोग नहीं करेंगे मैं उनकी बहुत खातिरदारी करने वाला हूँ. तो इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट दैट ऑल आर सपोज टू डू प्रैक्टिकल्स आफ्टर दिस सेशन, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे ना कुछ थ्योरेटिकल नहीं बताता आप लोगों को. वी डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग प्रैक्टिकली. सो इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट दैट माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन योर